Let's learn time of the day in Russian. Listen and repeat. Утро – morning. День – afternoon. Вечер – evening. Ночь – night. If you want to say in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, you have to use no prepositions and just change endings of the words. Let's see. Утром – in the morning. Днем – in the afternoon. Вечером – in the evening. Ночью – at night. And that's it. Learn Russian in Top School. Book a trial lesson and see you soon.